Hey, what's up guys? Black Sheep here, and check it out, Upper Deck Series 1 came out today. And right now I'm going to open up a hobby box of Upper Deck Series 1, 1516 edition. Very exciting product, as Connor McDavid is in here, and especially his Young Gun is going to be super highly sought after. It's too bad he just got injured this week. That's really sucked. Crashing into the boards. But I think collectors are still going to be going nuts over Connor McDavid Young Gun cards, and so hopefully we'll get one. Probably not. I've never actually had great luck with Young Guns, especially from these hobby boxes, but we'll see what happens. Here is the basic Upper Deck design. Cool looking. Very Upper Deck-ish. I'll take a look at those a little bit later. But looks like a very clean, crisp design, as always. I always love looking through Upper Deck because Upper Deck is so just well done every single year. It's sort of a great yearbook. Oh, we're right out of the gate. Jonathan Drouin, UD game jersey. I think there's like one jersey per box this year. Max Pacioretty, Johnny Gaudreau. But of course, what you're looking for are the Young Gun cards. And speaking of Young Guns, here's Dylan Larkin, Young Gun. I like the Young Gun logo this year. I think it's really neat. Again, really clean, focused on the photo, especially. The Young Gun logo actually looks very, very modern. Guy Lafleur Legends UD Portraits insert card. All right, checklist, Series 1 checklist. And looks like we have a Shining Stars of Bobby Hull. I'm liking the insert so far. Insert-wise, it's good to see Upper Deck having some good-looking insert cards. I'm really digging this year's Upper Deck, at least so far. I mean, I'm just opening it, but it looks good. Nicholas Cronwall, UD Canvas. Alright, that's like one stack done. Let's go to the second stack. I know a lot of people are opening up this product right now. Jared McCann, Young Gun. And base. See, all base in this pack. So far, 2 Young Guns. Looking forward to 4 more, hopefully. RNH, Shining Star, foil insert card. Cool emotion on that card. One of the things I'm definitely going to do is I'll be looking through the photographs once again. Many of you know I'm totally into photographs, so looking at them is something I'm definitely looking forward to. Ryan Johansson portrait. The action photography in Upper Deck is just so outstanding each and every year. Young Gun of Anton Slepshiev. So that's 3. Steven Stamkos, Stammer. Canvas card. And we're about halfway through the box. Henrik Zetterberg, portraits. Seems to be getting lots of portraits in this product. UD exclusives. Oh, hey. What do you know? Logan Couture. UD exclusives, number 9 of 100. Of all the exclusives to get, got Cooch. That's pretty sweet. Okay, next up we have a canvas. Very nice canvas card, Tuukka Rask. Looks like a net cam type card. Patrick Kane, Shining Stars. And all base in that pack. Young Gun, Sam Bennett. And base. Okay, last stack, guys. Carey Price, portraits. Wow, quite a bit of portrait cards. Matt O'Connor, Young Gun. Semyon Varlamov, UD Canvas card. Just a few more packs to go, guys. Young Gun of Slater Kokek. All base, and then our final pack is a blue Shining Star, Patrice Bergeron. I don't know why this one's blue. I don't know if that's a special thing. I'll have to look it up later. I don't see any special numbering on it, but there we go. Cool. Well, there you have it. No Connor McDavid, Young Gun. That, for me, is kind of expected. I rarely get the big ones, whether it be Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, John Tavares, Taylor Hall. Well, actually, Taylor Hall, I did pull his Young Gun, but it's so rare that I get the hot Young Gun. All right, let's go ahead and recap what we have here. This bluish version, Shining Star, Patrice Bergeron, Slater Kokek, Young Gun, Canvas Varlamov, O'Connor Young Gun, Price, Portrait, Sam Bennett Young Gun, Patrick Kane, Shining Star, Tuukka Rask, Canvas, Logan Couture, that's probably my favorite card of the break, obviously, exclusive, Henrik Zetterberg, Portrait, Steven Stamkos, Canvas, Anton Slepchiev, Young Gun, wrong Oiler, Ryan Johansson, RNH, Shining Star, Jared McCann, Young Gun, Nicholas Conwall, Canvas, Bobby Hull, Shining Star, Guy Lafleur Portrait, Dylan Larkin, Young Gun, and a UD game jersey of Johnny Drouin. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing a review of this product and giving away a card from this break. Look for that soon, or look for the link below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.